Hey, what's going on, guys? This is JoyTech back here again with an interesting and pretty useful video for both Android and Windows users. What about streaming your Android phone on your PC and your Windows PC screen on your mobile? Pretty interesting, right? Okay, what about you can remotely access both screens with your PC and Android phone? Even more interesting and useful, right? Okay, then all of these process that you seeing in the screen is done with only the settings of Windows and without even a single third-party application. That is cool, right? Okay, without further delay, let's find how it can be done. This is Abin here and welcome again to Joystick Tricks. Okay, first let's see how to remotely access your Android phone with your Windows PC. For that, we can make use of screencasting feature in both Android and Windows devices. The easiest way to access this feature in Windows is press F4 and you can see the project screen. From there, select connect to a wireless display. From there, you can see projecting to this PC in the bottom right corner of that window. Select it, or you can go to Windows settings. From there, navigate to system settings. There you can see a tab called projecting to this PC. Select it and you can see an on off button there, and keep the button on in order to connect your Android device with your Windows device. Next to the on off button, you can see your PC name there, and note it down and we can use it later. When comes to Android, you can see a screencast button in your quick access panel. It will be available in stock Android and in custom Androids it will be differ. In my Galaxy device with Samsung One UI, it is in the name of Smart View. By clicking the Smart View, it will show you the available display resources. In my case, it's showing Abinjoy, that is my PC name. Select it and click Start Now. Now your phone is connecting to your Windows PC. That's it. Your Windows PC is now remote device to your Android phone. You can use your computer's keyboard to access or control your phone. You can now play videos of your phone in laptop screen or your computer screen as I am showing in the video. A cool thing in this feature is it does not require any internet connection. You can even use a Wi-Fi network which do not have internet access. Also, you can run any Android application with this feature. Here I am running Google Play Movies. It's running perfectly without a single buffer. You can turn off Smart View to disconnect your phone from your PC. The next thing is accessing your PC from your Android phone. It's also easy process. For that, go to settings and system settings. There you can see a tab called remote access. Oh, I am sorry, it's remote desktop. Click that and you can see an on off button there. Turn on the button to enable remote desktop in your Windows PC. An important thing here is make sure your PC and your mobile or remote device is connected in same Wi-Fi network. In my case, I am connecting my both devices in my home network. After connecting the Wi-Fi in your Android device, go to Play Store and search for Remote Desktop. Select Remote Desktop app and install it. After installation, launch the app and you can see a plus symbol on the launch screen. Click that and click Add PC. It will ask for host name. In my case, it's Abinjoy. To find the host name, simply go to your PC and open command prompt and type ipconfig/all without space and hit enter. In the first line of results, you can see Windows IP configuration. Under that, you can find your domain name. And in my case, it's Abinjoy, and find yours and enter it in your app. After entering the domain name, it will be asking for user name. In my case, it's HP and enter your password. I already added my account, that is HP, and click save to save your device. Okay, you can see your added device there and click that and click connect to connect your PC remotely. It will take couple of seconds to load the screen. After loading the screen like this, you can either use portrait mode or you can switch to landscape mode as your wish. That's it. Now you can remotely access your PC from your Android device. There are a couple of more features in this remote desktop application. I will do a separate video about that. And that's it for today, and if you have any doubt, comment it below. If the content is useful, hit that thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And stay tuned for the next video. Till then, this is Abin signing off.